Let's start with the seismic shift that most crypto commentators are completely missing about the V23 protocol. Since Pi Network's mainnet launch in February 2025, we've witnessed steady ecosystem expansion, but the V23 integration represents something far more significant than incremental improvement. This is architectural revolution. Pi Network just absorbed Stellar's most advanced blockchain upgrade. But here's what makes this integration absolutely devastating to traditional blockchain limitations. They didn't just copy Stellar's technology, they weaponized it specifically for verified human participation at global scale. The V23 protocol introduces Soroban smart contracts, but understanding the implications requires recognizing what this actually means for programmable money. While Ethereum struggles with gas fees that make small transactions economically impossible, and Solana battles network congestion that creates transaction failures, Pi Network's V23 implementation delivers parallel transaction execution with reusable Wasm module caching. Translation: Pi can now process thousands of complex smart contract operations simultaneously while maintaining costs low enough for everyday commerce. This isn't theoretical. This is operational capability that transforms Pcoin from a mined digital asset into programmable currency that can power real-world economic activity. But the truly revolutionary aspect is unified event architecture combined with on-chain KYC integration. Every other blockchain treats identity verification as an external problem, creating security vulnerabilities and regulatory compliance nightmares. Pi Network just solved this by embedding verified human identity directly into the blockchain infrastructure itself. Hold up. If this analysis of Pi Network's architectural revolution is expanding your understanding of programmable blockchain capabilities, then I absolutely need your engagement to amplify this content. Demolish that like button right now, because YouTube's algorithm rewards videos that deliver paradigm-shifting insights, and your like tells the platform that this V23 protocol analysis deserves broader reach. And if you're not subscribed to TJ Crypto World yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and activate notifications, because I deliver revolutionary crypto analysis that exposes developments mainstream channels won't touch. Your subscription directly supports independent blockchain research that challenges conventional crypto wisdom. Now let's examine how Soroban smart contracts transform Pi Network into an economic weapon against blockchain limitations. Soroban isn't just another smart contract engine. It's Stellar's optimization masterpiece designed for speed, scalability, and developer accessibility that Pi Network just weaponized for its global community. Here's what this integration unleashes: decentralized finance protocols that can operate with transaction fees measured in fractions of pennies rather than dollars. Peer-to-peer lending systems that execute automatically without requiring expensive intermediaries. Asset tokenization capabilities that allow real-world assets to be represented, traded, and managed entirely on Pi's blockchain infrastructure. But the most explosive capability is NFT creation and trading with built-in royalty mechanisms. While Ethereum NFT markets collapse under unsustainable gas fees, Pi Network can now support NFT ecosystems where creating, buying, and selling digital assets costs virtually nothing. This opens NFT participation to global populations that traditional blockchain costs have completely excluded. The cross-border payment implications are staggering. Remittances that currently cost families 8 to 15% in fees through traditional services can now execute on Pi Network for fractions of a percent. We're talking about financial inclusion for billions of people who have been locked out of global digital economy participation by prohibitive blockchain costs. And here's where it gets really dangerous for established players. Pi Network's verified human identity system means these DeFi protocols, marketplaces, and payment systems operate with built-in compliance that traditional blockchains simply cannot match. Every transaction is connected to verified human participants, creating regulatory transparency that governments actually want to support rather than restrict. The V23 upgrade catalyzes ecosystem growth in ways that most analysts are, honestly, completely underestimating. With smart contracts now operational, dApp developers can build scalable solutions specifically tailored to Pi's massive user base. But, this isn't just about technical capabilities, this is about economic opportunity at an unprecedented scale. Merchants can integrate Pcoin payment systems that execute instantly with negligible fees, making microtransactions economically viable for the first time in blockchain history. Content creators can monetize directly through smart contracts that automatically distribute payments based on engagement metrics. And developers can build subscription services, loyalty programs, and marketplace applications that operate autonomously without centralized control. The immediate benefits reshape the entire Pi experience: transaction speeds that make real-time commerce possible, security through on-chain identity verification that eliminates fraud concerns, and use cases for P-coin that extend far beyond simple value transfer into, well, complex economic interactions. But here's the strategic insight that really changes everything. This evolution, actually strengthens Pi's position as a decentralized economy where value creation happens through verified human engagement rather than just speculative trading. Every smart contract deployment, every dApp launch, and every merchant integration creates real utility that serves actual human needs, not just abstract financial instruments. The V23 protocol opens the floodgates for developer innovation that will, honestly, reshape the entire blockchain landscape. With Linux node support, Wasm module capabilities, and SEP41-style event tracking, Pi Network offers development infrastructure that combines power with accessibility in ways that, frankly, existing blockchains just cannot match. The community-driven development model ensures that innovation emerges from Pi's global pioneer base instead of centralized tech companies. Developers can test smart contract implementations on the updated testnet, participate in validator operations, contribute to open-source analytics platforms, and launch applications that serve both local communities and global markets. This participatory approach creates sustainable development momentum because, the people building Pi's ecosystem are the same people actually using it. Unlike venture capital-funded blockchain projects that tend to prioritize investor returns over user experience, Pi Network's community ownership model really aligns developer incentives with user needs. The strategic implications for Web3 adoption are honestly massive. Pi Network's emphasis on utility, identity, and scalability makes it a compelling alternative to those legacy blockchains that are, well, choking on their own complexity. The V23 upgrade enhances institutional adoption readiness, regulatory compliance capabilities, and cross-chain collaboration potential in ways that, frankly, position Pi as the bridge between traditional finance and decentralized systems. Listen, if this deep dive analysis of Pi Network's V23 protocol revolution is giving you a new perspective on programmable blockchain potential and Web3 leadership positioning, then I really need your help spreading this revolutionary content. Hit that like button again if you haven't already, share this video with 3 people in your network who need to understand how smart contracts are reshaping cryptocurrency utility, and drop a comment below telling me, do you think Pi Network's community-driven development model can outpace venture capital-funded blockchain projects? I read every comment and, honestly, I often feature the most insightful responses in follow-up analysis. I want to thank every pioneer and blockchain enthusiast in the TJ Crypto World community for joining me on this exploration of Pi Network's V23 protocol revolution. Your engagement, your thoughtful questions about smart contract capabilities and ecosystem development, your willingness to examine revolutionary blockchain innovations that mainstream media ignores. It really motivates me to keep analyzing developments that could reshape the entire cryptocurrency landscape. The V23 protocol represents more than just technical advancement. It's Pi Network's declaration that programmable money should serve human needs rather than institutional extraction. Whether this smart contract integration succeeds in transforming Pi into the Web3 platform that bridges traditional finance with decentralized innovation, we're honestly witnessing blockchain evolution in real time. If you want to continue exploring how revolutionary blockchain developments challenge established crypto limitations, check out my comprehensive analysis of Pi Network's consensus algorithm: Why Proof of Human Beats Proof of Stake. I'll link it right here. It's a deep dive into the fundamental innovations that make Pi Network's approach superior to traditional blockchain consensus mechanisms, and it perfectly complements today's smart contract revolution analysis. Remember, the most significant technological breakthroughs often appear incremental until they become unstoppable. Pi Network's V23 protocol demonstrates that smart contracts can be accessible, programmable money can serve everyday people, and blockchain technology can prioritize human utility over speculative trading. Stay revolutionary, stay analytical, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue examining the innovations and developments that are reshaping cryptocurrency's future. Until then, this is TJ from TJ Crypto World, reminding you that understanding blockchain revolutions before they complete gives you advantages that no amount of market speculation can provide.